I'm recording, by the way.
Okay. There's something special in here. And we're going to find out what it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can't see it yet.
I'm just trying to help.
Boom! This is the T-Fal OptiGrill 4-in-1 indoor grill. So we've been doing the Ninja outdoor grill, and I was looking at an indoor one, and I think this is it. Intelligent. Go ahead and read that. I can't see what it says.
Exclusive technology for perfect grilling results. So it will measure the thickness of your steak or chicken, whatever pork you put in there. And depending on what, if you want rare, medium, well done, it will cook to that specification. So.
And the reason that I got this one is kind of funny. This one was $211. The other, you could get one of these for $159. I think there's even a cheaper one, and I'll kind of show you somewhere up here. But the grease tray is the reason I got this one.
Because it's so big?
Well, it's hidden.
Oh, okay.
I think it looks a lot better than because the other ones, you know how the other ones, like a George Foreman, it just sits out. And this is kind of what this is just a George Foreman.
It's a fancy one.
It's basically just has that technology. And I've already read all the reviews about them. And that's what makes this nice, is you're not checking your cook. And that's why I like the Ninja too. Is because you don't have to check your cook as much. You got the app with it, and this will beep, and it's going to be inside.
Yeah, so this is what we'll use this winter.
Yeah, because we are not going outside with the Ninja. And this actually, it also, I was looking at this, and I was looking at the Ninja Foodie. And the Foodie looks awesome. I mean, if you got one, if you want to get one, they do look awesome. But this here, this is going to make our life a lot easier. I mean, you probably all use the George Foreman's, and they got the 2 trays. The grease tray is actually attached. That is beautiful. That is the reason I wanted this one. That looks so much better. They just sit the one out. That's going to get lost. Then you don't have a grease tray. And then, look how easy those come off.
And these are dishwasher safe?
These are dishwasher safe. Oh wow, that's so easy. I didn't think it'd be that easy. That is so awesome. And they say they're super easy to clean. Look how easy that was. Okay, now this one, another reason is there's another pan in there too. So we can go into barbecue mode. So you can cook on 2 different surfaces. And you can actually use this as an oven too. There is... There's all this manual stuff. Recipes. Oh, that looks good. Look at all that. You can do sandwiches on there. Pizza in the thing. Like we used to love to. I'm gonna probably have you try to make me something like that. Here we go. So this is like a baking tray, I think. One-handed. And those are super light. I can't believe how light they are. looks like it just sits on there. So you can take it off. Yeah, it's got little handles. So you can cook your dish, which is showing like a pizza in there, in here, and then you can use this other end to grill stuff on. So that's kind of a cool feature. I mean, if you want to make something, if you're making a lot of stuff and you want to make something else instead of using the oven. And I actually seen something our son's gonna love, and our daughter. They have waffle adapters for these that I seen. I'm gonna say about getting some, because if they're made like this, I mean,
that's a lot easier to get off of.
Have you felt that?
Oh gosh, yeah.
Super
than
light.
our other waffle maker. It's hard to get those plates back in there, and they're not light at all.
Yeah, and like always, we will. You know, this is just an initial review. Is it? That's
extra
another grease tray, I guess. Oh wow! So that's for when you go down, like this.
Oh yeah.
So you have the grease tray still there.
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool. They thought of it. They thought of everything. It's very nicely made. This looks like stainless steel. It's all metal. Automatic thickness, if you want to check this out. And then it's got the things, and from what I've seen, it was kind of funny. There was hardly any English things talking about this, and these are actually really old. These are like 10 years old. These have been on the market for 10 years, so it's not totally new thing. It doesn't look like it's going to take up that much space on the counter if we want to leave it out on the counter. But they did show the Ninja Foodie looks a little nicer and smaller. Would match our stuff a lot better, but you know, I really I really think this is going to be better. You're going to cook on both sides, and we're going to do some steaks tonight to see how it does. And here's your barbecue settings on the side here. When you open it up. So it looks like it's got a light to show you
What's
it's on.
this button for? It's like a piece
Oh,
of
that's
pork.
it says the thickness.
Mm.
I don't know what that. Yeah. I don't know if that matters or not. But that's so exciting to not have to think about. So it's got a little gauge in there that tells it how to do it. That's awesome. Can't wait. Cannot wait. All right, well, we will see you
After the steaks are done, or
yeah, and we already salted the steaks.
Yeah.
We always salt ours and put them in the fridge, and we'll season them right before, and then throw them on here and see how they are.
All right, see you later. These are ribeyes.
And we're using Kinder's prime steak with truffle. This is awesome. We love this stuff. We have cooked a lot of steaks with this.
You know what I like about this grill?
What's that?
It's 100 degrees outside, and we're not outside
Yeah.
in the heat.
That helps. Okay, we got to preheat it, and what you're going to do is press the power on, and then select what you're going to cook, and we're going to cook steaks. And this is if it's frozen. I don't know if you can do frozen steaks. I don't know.
And that's for manual.
Yes, that's correct. So just press it, and press OK, and it says preheating white, and it will beep when it's ready.
All right, we'll see you in just a few minutes. All right, did a series of beeps.
Beep, 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 beep. It says it's ready. I hope we can fit all these on here.
I don't think we're going to be able to.
We're going to test the capacity of this thing.
It's gonna be close. Uh-oh.
Smash them in there.
Yep, nope.
That can fit. If it fits, it ships.
So this actually turned blue instead of white. You can't really see that on the camera. We forgot to put mute on the television. Alright, so it was a little bit of a beep. You can't see the colors, but it turned from blue to this yellow.
And
the rare.
It was a very small beep, so I don't know. I'm gonna go turn that TV down in here.
You'll definitely have to stand by it if you're wanting your steak cooked, you know, or anything for that matter. Just right. Not burned. I hate they can't see the color of that.
That's okay. I mean, we can see it. It's pretty nice.
Oh, wow. We're already at medium.
So when the color corresponding to your desired cooking level becomes steady and the beep sounds,
You gotta
open
wait
the
till
appliance
it's solid.
and remove the food. Well, we don't want to go to medium. We want medium rare. So we want rare and medium together. So we want in between. So it's already medium. So we're done, right? Oh yeah.
You want to get our thermometer and see?
This is probably the thickest one. Oh yeah.
What about the edges that we're touching?
Yeah, it's actually done. It's actually medium. Yeah. When you take it
Okay.
off. You want me to use the board or just
Yeah, the board's fine.
All right, let's cut these bad boys open.
Looks a little pink.
Well, that's fat. Well, according to that temp, it's not.
Let's close this because it's beeping at us. I'm going to turn that off.
Yep.
Okay.
So it looks like it stayed on to whatever it was. Okay, this is gonna be my steak. And that's probably the biggest one. Right down the center.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Absolutely perfect. Oh, I can't wait to try those big thick ones. All right. Let me try a bite. You want to try a bite? We didn't wait the, how long do we usually wait? 10 minutes?
Oh, yeah, letting it do its thing.
Oh, man. That flavor's good.
It looks like it actually was able to keep the seasoning on it better, too, than when we put it on the Ninja.
Yes. That was a problem. And you can taste it a lot better. She was complaining that she couldn't taste it. Oh, this is good. I love this.
Yeah, that's really good.
I'm not used to eating these thin of steaks, though. We've been eating big.
We might put too much seasoning.
Well, that's what I was saying. Like, we're used to doing that with a Ninja. I need to scratch some of that off.
All right, well,
That's good.
like the video. It does help. Subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the bell for notifications. And we'll catch you on the next review. Bye.
Bye.